Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Sarita's Home Cooking. Today I'm going to make chocolate banana cake which requires only 4 ingredients. So let's see the ingredients required for making the cake. So here I'm taking 40 Oreo biscuits, 1 cup of milk, 2 bananas and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. To my knowledge, this is the first video on YouTube showing how to make Oreo chocolate banana cake with only just 4 ingredients. In the first step, we'll take a grinder jar, add all the biscuits into the jar and grind them into a fine powder. Now we'll transfer all the biscuit powder into a mixing bowl. Then in the same jar, we'll add bananas and half cup of milk and blend together to make a fine paste. In the next step to the biscuit powder, we'll add banana and milk mixture and we'll combine all together to make a nice batter. Now you can see the batter is little thick, so to get the right consistency of the batter, we'll add little more milk to it. Trust me, this is a very tasty, super soft and moist cake. I have tried 5 times and then I'm sharing this recipe with you all. Now finally to the batter, we'll add baking powder and mix it well. Here I am using a silicone mold greased with oil. Now we'll pour the batter into the mold and tap it to remove the air bubbles. Here I am using some shredded almonds and choco chips for topping. You can also use the finely chopped walnuts or only choco chips or anything of your choice. Just before adding the baking powder, we'll keep a vessel for preheating for 5 to 10 minutes so that the baking setup will be ready. Now we'll place the cake mold in the vessel, cover with a lid and let it bake for 35 to 40 minutes on a medium flame. After 40 minutes, we'll check whether the cake is baked or not by using a toothpick. As you can see, the toothpick is clear. Now it's time to turn off the flame. Now take out the lid and let it cool. Once the cake is cool, we'll demold it. Now you can see the cake is so soft and moist. You can also bake the cake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees centigrade for 30 minutes. Friends, if you really liked my video, please do like, share and subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon for further notifications. Thank you.